我视频中的双关语都是在 Bing 和 Google 上最受欢迎的，这样学英语很有趣儿，而且单词相互联系，记忆深刻。学学幽默双关语，证明你不是机器人。This mouse is inbred. 这只老鼠是近亲繁殖的。Inbred 与 inbred 同音。Inbred 天生的，近亲繁殖的。This mouse is inbred. 这只老鼠在面包里。Mouse 体型小，组成的短语多表达老鼠原本的意思。米老鼠就是 Mickey Mouse， 复数形式 mice。Mouse 鼠标，老鼠，胆小如鼠的人。Rat 也是老鼠。Rat 体型较大，多含贬义，如欺骗、卑鄙的人、背叛等。1, 2, 3, breathe. 1, 2, 3, 呼吸。He's dead, Jim. 他死了，吉姆。Why is my mouse is not working? 为什么我的鼠标无法使用？ I just don't get it. How a computer mouse can be more important than me. 我就是不明白，一个电脑鼠标怎么可能比我还重要？ What is a computer mouse's favorite thing to eat? 电脑鼠标最喜欢吃什么？ Microchips 微芯片。 Chip 芯片，油炸土豆条。Mustache 这是老鼠自创的单词。Mustache 小胡子，八字胡。Mustache 与 mustache 谐音。记 mustache 时，能不能想起这只可爱的 mouse？ Have a nice day. Nice 与 nice 谐音。常用表达 Have a nice day. 祝您愉快。Where do mice put their dead to rest? 老鼠在哪里安葬死者？这是老鼠自己创造的词，其实就是想表达 mausoleum 的意思。Mausoleum 陵墓，谐音貌似陵墓。这个老鼠高喊 Farewell, valiant comrade, farewell. 永别了，英勇的同志，永别了。Great losers of the rat race. 字面意思是老鼠赛跑中的伟大失败者。Rat race 你死我活的竞争。Great losers of the rat race 激烈竞争中的大输家。I'm like, I smell a rat, and then, oh my gosh, it's you. 字面意思，我就像在说，我闻到了老鼠的味道，然后，哦天哪，是你。Smell a rat, 怀疑有问题，发现不对头。I smell a rat, 我觉得不对劲儿。Why don't giraffes do drugs? 长颈鹿为什么不吸毒？ Because they are naturally high. 因为它们天生就高。High 高，快感。They were high on drugs. 他们嗑药嗑嗨了。Giraffe 长颈鹿，用套来表示高楼、高个子、大树。用 high 来形容高山、高墙。Giraffes are tall. Why are giraffes so slow to apologize? 长颈鹿为什么迟迟不道歉？ It takes a long time to swallow their pride. 要花很长时间才能放下他们的架子。Swallow pride 放下自尊，忍气吞声，放下架子。字面意思，要花很长时间才能咽下他们的自尊。Bear with me， 请耐心点儿。I think of a pun soon， 我很快就想出双关语了。Bear， 熊。Grizzly bear， 灰熊。Black bear， 黑熊。Polar bear， 北极熊。Life is hard， 生活艰辛。这只熊自己想出了这个单词。Barely 与 barely 同音。Barely 几乎不，勉强。I barely made it through the week， 我勉强熬过了这一周。If a bear is chasing you， 如果有熊在追你。Does that mean you are running with a bear behind？ 这是否意味着你在光着屁股跑步？ Bear 与 bear 同音。Bear 赤裸的，暴露。Behind 屁股，在后面的。Does that mean you are running with a bear behind？ 这是不是说你跑的时候后面有只熊？If I were a polar bear， 如果我是北极熊 ，they'd have taken my order by now， 我现在应该已经点了菜了。这里没有双关语。这只黑熊感到受到了歧视，其实北极熊有北极熊的烦恼。I can't believe someone froze my apples。真不敢相信，有人把我的苹果冻起来了。When a baby polar bear hides from his mom， 当北极熊宝宝躲着妈妈时。Climate change is unbearable， 气候变化令人难以承受。Unbearable， bear， 忍受，承受。The two bears just were not meant to be together because they were polar opposites. 这两只熊本来就不应该在一起，因为它们性格截然不同。Polar 两极的，对立的。I love pandas. They are so chill. They are like 我喜欢熊猫，它们很酷。他们就像 Dude, racism is stupid. I'm white, black, and Asian. 老兄，种族歧视是愚蠢的。我又白又黑，是亚洲的。White, 白色的白人。Black, 黑色的黑人。Asian, 亚洲的亚洲人。What is black and white and fast？ 什么东西又黑又白又快 ？When a giant panda is driving a racing car， 当大熊猫开赛车时。Sometimes I just want to be a panda。有时候我只想成为一只熊猫。So I could eat and sleep all day。And still be cute. 我可以整天吃吃睡睡，还很可爱。If you've ever wondered how pandas cook their dinner, they use a pan. 呵呵，你是否想过熊猫是如何做饭的？它们会用平底锅。呵呵 ，pan 平底锅。How did the panda lose his dinner? 熊猫的晚餐是怎么丢的 ？He was bamboozled. 他被骗了。Bamboozle 与 bamboo 谐音。Bamboozle 欺骗、迷惑。Bamboo 竹子。Is that fish yours? 那条鱼是你的吗？His 与 hiss 谐音 hiss 蛇发出的嘶嘶声 hiss 它的 snake 蛇 python 巨蟒大蛇 viper 毒蛇 serpent 蛇 rattlesnake 响尾蛇 What is a snake's favorite subject in school? 蛇在学校最喜欢什么课 ？History. History 与 history 谐音 history 历史 What do you call a funny snake? 你管搞笑的蛇叫什么 ？Hysterical. Hysterical 与 hysterical 谐音 hysterical 歇斯底里的，十分可笑的。What do you call a 3.14 meter long snake? 3.14米长的蛇叫什么 ？A python. Python 与 python 谐音 pi equals 3.14. Which kind of snake keeps the car cleanest? 哪种蛇能让汽车保持最干净 ？A windshield viper. 挡风玻璃上的毒蛇 Viper 与 viper 谐音 windshield viper 挡风雨刷 I can't believe rattlesnake warnings are called rattles and not cautionary tales. 我简直不敢相信响尾蛇的警告被称为拨浪鼓而不是警示尾巴 Rattle 拨浪鼓喋喋不休 Tale 与 tale 同音 Cautionary tale 警示故事 What do you call a snake without clothes? 没穿衣服的蛇叫什么 Snaked. Snaked 与 naked. Snaked 蛇形曲折前行 Naked 裸体的 What do you call a snake who works for the government? 你怎么称呼为政府工作的蛇 A civil serpent. Serpent 与 servant 谐音 Civil servant 公务员 I know a whale joke is a real killer. 我知道一个鲸鱼笑话，真的笑死人。Killer whale is a real killer. 杀人鲸是真正的杀手。Whale 鲸鱼 Blue whale 蓝鲸 White whale 白鲸 Killer whale 虎鲸 Life is short, enjoy it while it lasts. While 与 while 谐音 Life is short, enjoy it while it lasts. 人生苦短，趁现在好好享受吧。Sometimes life is overwhelming. 这是鲸鱼想出来的词儿。Overwhelming 与 overwhelming 谐音 Overwhelming 势不可挡的，无法抗拒的。Sometimes life is overwhelming. 有时难以承受生命之重。这个鲸鱼又想到了自己 will. Will 与 will 谐音 Will 决心 Where there's a will, there is a way. 有志者事竟成 Go home, camel. 回家吧，骆驼 You are drunk. 你喝醉了 Camel 骆驼，这头骆驼讲笑话 told the joke， 这头骆驼真的懂了这个笑话 really got the joke， 这头骆驼没明白哪儿可笑，但还是笑一笑吧 didn't get but smile anyways。 Camouflage 这是骆驼想出来的词儿， Camouflage 与 camouflage， Camouflage 伪装迷彩服。 Seriously? Not another knock-knock joke. 你是认真的吗？别再讲 knock-knock joke 了。Woodpecker wood 木头 pecker 啄木鸟 Woodpecker 啄木鸟。 What do you get if you cross a woodpecker and a carrier pigeon？ 如果你把啄木鸟和信鸽杂交，你会得到什么？ A bird who knocks before making his delivery。 一只在交货前敲门的鸟。 The bald eagle is the American symbol of freedom。 秃鹰是美国自由的象征。 It's hardly ironic that they are all nearly extinct。 它们几乎都已灭绝，这并不是什么讽刺。 Eagle 鹰 Bald eagle 秃鹰。 Hawk 鹰鹰派人物。 Owl 猫头鹰。 What kind of bird doesn't need a comb？ 哪种鸟不需要梳子？ A bald eagle 秃鹰。 What animal needs to wear a wig？ 什么动物需要戴假发？还是秃鹰 A bald eagle。 Come at me, bro， 冲我来啊，小子。 Hawk 不愧为鹰派人物，好战分子。 I'm awesome， 这是猫头鹰专用词。 Owl 与 owl 谐音， Awesome 可怕的，了不起的。 I'm awesome， 我真棒。 I'm all by myself， 猫头鹰时刻不忘自己是 all。All 与 all 谐音， I'm all by myself， 我就一个人。 All I do is win， All I do is win， 我只想赢。 What do you call two ants that run away to get married？ 两只逃婚的蚂蚁叫什么？ Antelope Ant 蚂蚁 Elope 私奔。 Antelope 羚羊 Gazelle 小羚羊羚羊。 An arrogant gazelle walks up to a bunch of lions and tells them how much better he is than them。 一只骄傲的小羚羊走到一群狮子面前，告诉他们自己比他们强得多。 He was consumed by pride。 Consume 消耗吃喝， Pride 骄傲狮子群。一种理解是他被骄傲所吞噬，还有一种理解是他被狮群吃掉了。豹子拍着小羚羊 Gazelle 的脑袋，亲切地说 Don't worry, we are not hungry yet。 别担心，我们还不饿。 What do you call a wolf in sheep's clothing？ 披着羊皮的狼叫什么？ Wolf 狼。 A wolf in sheep's clothing 伪装成羊的狼，外表友善温和，实际上却是邪恶的人。 Wolf 狼，狼吞虎咽。 Coyote 丛林狼小狼。How do wolves greet one another? 狼是怎样互相问候的？ How you doing? How 与 how 啊谐音。How 嚎叫高声叫喊。How are you doing? 你好吗？ How do wolves eat their food? 狼是怎么吃东西的？ They wolf it down. 他们狼吞虎咽。I'm with my coyote. I can't talk right now. 我和我的小狼在一起，我现在不方便说话。What is the difference between a coyote and a flea? 土狼和跳蚤有什么区别？ One howls on the prairie and the other prowls on the highway. 一个在大草原上嚎叫，一个在毛茸茸的地方游荡。Howl 与 prowl 谐音。Prowl 徘徊潜行。Prairie 与 highway 谐音。You'll never wear fox like I wear fox. 你永远不会像我一样穿狐狸皮。Fox 狐狸狡猾的人。What type of shoes does a fox wear? 狐狸穿什么鞋？ Sneakers 运动鞋，鬼鬼祟祟的人。Whoops, well, this is embarrassing. 哇，这太尴尬了。Firefox has crashed. 火狐浏览器崩溃了。Firefox, fire 火 fox 狐狸。Crash 崩溃坠毁撞击。Leopard 豹美洲豹。Puma 彪马美洲狮 Cougar。Panther 黑豹。Cheetah 猎豹。Jaguar 美洲豹。Why can't leopards hide? 为什么豹子藏不住？ Because they are always spotted. 因为它们总是被发现。Spot 认出斑点。Hey, elephant, why isn't there any gambling in Africa? 嘿，大象，为什么非洲没有赌博？ Because there are too many cheetahs. 因为猎豹太多了。Cheetah 与 cheater 骗子同音。Because there are too many cheaters. 因为骗子太多。Hey, why did you and Sarah break up? 嘿，你和莎拉为什么分手？ Because she cheated on me. Because she cheated on me. 因为她背叛了我。Hi, do you want to go out? I've got a Jaguar. Hi, 你想出去吗？我有一辆捷豹。捷豹是一个豪华轿跑的牌子。没想到这个猎人说的是真正的 Jaguar。I've got a Jaguar. 我有一只美洲虎。本视频结束，希望你喜欢上双关语，爱上学英语。欢迎评论提出建议，我会继续制作关于双关语的视频。